How to remove Canva subscription. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Canva application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on your profile and then tap on settings option over here. After tapping on settings, you will be led to a new page of settings where you just need to tap on the subscription option over here. Tap on subscription, and right now I don't have any subscription, but if you already have a subscription, you can tap on that particular subscription and select off cancel subscription. As you tap on cancel subscription, you will be asked the reason for the cancellation of it, and you just have to give a answer to that, and after that you will be able to remove your Canva subscription. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.